If through the course of your takeoff analysis you determine that you have additional material or an excess of material or a deficit of material, you can choose to try to analyze and balance the site. So if you go to takeoff, you have a balance line option under reporting here. And when you select that, it's going to analyze the earthwork balance. So you can put in information like, the material that you're going to borrow, your waste material that you want to, have. Maybe you're going to use it somewhere else on another part of the project. You can limit it to areas of interest, such as maybe just I want the area of interest of just this field. And you can account for shrinkage and bulkage. And then you can also choose the material that you're going to get. Maybe you're going to borrow some material. So if I was to choose offsite borrow material, I could set that here. You can choose to adjust the elevation on the entire site or just a selected boundary area. Down here you can look at the results. These will be the results. It's not going to automatically move your site, but it's going to give you some information of how to go about raising or lowering the site to balance it out. So when I'm going to click apply, it's going to go through, it's going to process and rebuild all the surfaces. So this may take a couple seconds. Once it's done, you'll see that it gives you the information of your available bank cut, your fill supplied, your fill required, and your deficit. And then to balance it out, you'll require an elevation adjustment across the entire site of 1.4 feet. So that way you now have a balanced site. So you could raise your areas, rerun your analysis, and come up with a balanced site.